One thing that we have to understand is that as black men, and I say that proudly, as black men, we don't have the opportunity to come together like this very often. Most of the time when we come together, it is perceived as something negative. We come together, it is perceived that we are plotting, that we are planning to do something that's not quite right. But to see everyone here together, concerned about making this city and making each other better, it blesses me. How many times have you seen this happen in this area? Not enough, right? It doesn't happen. We don't have the opportunity to come together and have honest conversations about what we're feeling, to have honest conversations about what we're going through, to have honest conversations about what is going not only wrong, not a time just to complain, but to come up with a plan about what are we going to do to make it better.
I don't know how you could change the world. All I know is how to change what is 3 feet around me. A lady named Margaret Mead once said, "Never doubt that a small group or committed citizens can change the world, because indeed, it's the only thing that ever has."
I love seeing my brother in the back, that preacher back there, Deon Gates, how he's bringing the community together, black, white, all different types of people. I love it. The reason I love it is because we're winning. And it's more than what we see on the TV screen. It's more than what we're seeing in books. Let me tell you this, black man, you are not an endangered species.